Topic is PO pricing. How we can configure the PO pricing. Okay. Are you seeing the screen?
Yes.
Okay. PO pricing means what? So let's have a discussion on that first. Then we'll move on to the configuration setup. In a PO, we see this condition tab here. Okay. You can find some of the condition types here. This is called condition types. And what is the price of the PO? So any discount is there, any freight charges are there. All those charges we will maintain here. Okay. For each PO, that is a must. And for that, we will configure the pricing procedure. So it will not hit automatically. Say, for example, if we click on this analysis here, click on this analysis in the line item, we can find pricing, some pricing procedures. Now, this is the standard pricing procedure. So now we are configuring now the our own pricing procedure. What are the elements of pricing procedure we have? Okay, we will discuss on that. Okay. Hmm. Now let's see how we can configure this. Okay, and what is the pricing procedure? So any PO, if we consider what are the components of the pricing, first we need to understand. Say for example, components means the base price of the material. Okay, what we call in SAP, it is a gross price. Okay, don't confuse with that. And another is any discount is there. Okay. Now gross price plus or minus the discount is equal to your net price, is equal to the net price. And net price, gross price, discount means minus, right? So of course it is minus. Okay. And discount, gross price minus the discount is equal to your net price. Okay. Now to this net price, we are exactly adding, we are adding the freight charges, the logistic charges, transportation charges, okay, logistic, or in a simple word, we can say delivery cost. It may be a loading and unloading charges, the freight charges, it may be a insurance including the freight, okay, all those factors. Total we can call it as delivery cost. Now net price plus the delivery, whatever the delivery cost, okay, is equal to your landing price or effective price. Net price plus the delivery cost is equal to the landing price or the effective price. Okay, so this is the main background of the pricing. You should know this, how the basic components of the pricing. Okay. So what is the purpose? The purpose is to get the effective price of the material. Purpose is to what is the breakup of the cost of the material, like gross price, what is the discount, what is the net price, and what is the logistic charges. Okay, now we need to follow some step in order to configure this. Okay. Now tell me, you understood this? This is the basic components of the pricing, and based on that, we have to. You understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, you're doing this one in your daily life, but you don't know. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಥವಾ Zomato food order, any order you will do, right? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್
Yes, sir. Map.
ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಬಿಲ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ have you ever tried to see the bill components of the bill, how the bill is generated, what do you call that for invoice, customer invoice? You check in when if you order in Amazon or any bill, how it is structured. That you have to see first. You have to understand. Okay. That was the live example. real time ಅಂತಾರೆ. ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this is what you have to understand the business first, the components, why, and you have to see the bill of the Amazon. You will learn many things on that simple bill. Okay, try to understand that. Okay, Go and check what is the. It will be a base price will be there. If you apply any promo code, discount is there. Then they will add some delivery cost to it, and finally this is your price. Okay, definitely that component will be there, right? If it is discount is not there, discount is not there, zero. Okay, just check it, you'll find it. Okay, okay, what's the point? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you need to cus- do the configuration. For that we need to follow some of the steps. Okay, the step number one, create a schema group for vendor schema group. Assign that one in a vendor master. Okay, purchasing organization data. This is step number two. Then create a schema group for purchasing organization. Create schema group for purchasing organization. Now, assign to the particular organization for which you create a P. Step number five, create the calculation schema, or we can call it as the pricing procedure. Step number six is a schema determination. Schema determination, what exactly we are doing. Schema group of purchasing organization. Schema group for the vendor. We are linking to the calculations here of pricing procedure. Okay, so this is the sixth step. Okay. The first step, the schema group of vendor assigned to the vendor master. Step number three, schema group purchase organization. Create, assign schema group of purchase organization to the purchasing organization. Step number five, create a calculation schema or pricing procedure. Final step, schema determination. Schema group of purchasing organization linked to the schema group of vendor and respective calculation schema or pricing procedure. Okay. So whenever you are presenting during the interview, you have to present it in this way about the pricing procedure. It's a very important topic and important interview question. Okay. In this way, you have to present it. Therefore, I return the test steps with this PPT. Okay. Let's see how we can do it in a system. Everything we cannot complete in this class, so need to break. Let's see. We'll create the schema group for vendor, SAP reference IMG, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then materials management, then purchasing, then conditions. Under the condition price determination process, under the price determination process, we have schema group. Okay, materials management, purchasing, under purchasing, conditions, under condition define price determination process, then define schema group. Okay, in define schema group, click schema group for vendor, double click, okay, click on new entries, E1 is the vendor schema, tab, save. E1 is the vendor schema. You can also mention it is for the domestic pricing procedures for your understanding. Now assign this to vendor master purchasing organization data. What is the table for purchase organization data for vendor master? Can you recall? No. These are very, very important just to go and check the tables which whatever I told you. This is the way you need to practice it. So I will take this vendor. Okay. Now XK02 purchasing organization data. Select here, enter schema group what we created you link here, enter, save. Next step, schema group for purchasing organization. Double click on new entry P01 schema group purchasing organization. Enter, already there. P1, enter, save, come back. Assign this to your own purchasing organization. Click on the position. Your purchase organization is P001. Purchasing organization schema P1. Save and come back. Okay. Now create calculation schema. Nothing but your pricing procedure. Here, click here. Click on new entry. Insert domestic pricing 000. So for example, we'll create a domestic pricing procedure. Okay. Save it and okay. Now under this pricing procedure, double click on this control data. Need to maintain this condition type in a sequential manner here. Okay. So this step is critical one and it is very important. Okay. So let's see, maybe I don't want to take half of class. You can spend it tomorrow this part. Okay, it's very important. So this is your pricing procedure. Now inside nothing is there. Calculation we need to do. Let's see. Okay. Now schema determination. Next. Okay. The schema determination. What exactly we are doing? Determine calculation schema for standard purchase organization. Double click on this. Click on the new entries. Schema group, purchase organization, P1, schema group, vendor, P1, your calculation schema. This one. Okay, save. Now, this pricing procedure you need to set up. Okay, sequential manner condition type we need to maintain. I'll explain you how we can do this. Click on the define calculation schema here. So what is your calculation schema? This one. Select this. Double click on the control data. Click on the new entries. Now step. Enter the step number here. Now I will put the counter one. Standard condition type for the gross price, or you can say base price. SAP has provided PB, XX. Okay, no need to enter anything here. Enter in this column printer X. Okay, then in the subtotal maintain 9. Standard we need to maintain. Okay, and next is step number 10. Counter is 2. If step number is same, you are counting 1 and 2. Okay. PB00. This is also a gross price. No need to enter here. Enter X here. Enter that 9 and in the requirement column, you need to select this routine. It's a program 6. This is standard. Okay. Now this is the about your gross price. This is about your base price. Okay. Now step number 20. I'm not entering any count here. After that, I will enter the any discount is there. For the discount, there will be a standard condition type. Okay, like RA01. Okay, select this. Now this discount is on the base price. Okay, discount is on the base price. Therefore, you need to enter 10. Okay, then step number 30. Here there is no condition type. You have to enter net price here. So what is the gross minus the discount will be your net price. That will be calculated what is the gross price on in 10 and what is your the value of the discount stored in 20. This will be calculated and it will be come in the step number 30. Okay, enter, enter. Now net price is on 30. This is come to 40 now. Counter 1. Now add the freight condition. Freight condition like in the percentage or value or quantity. And give percentage first. percentage, you should calculate what is the net price. Based on that, it should calculate. Therefore, I am giving 30. Okay. Now, in this row, there will be a column called account key and accruals. Here, just you mention FR1 and FR1. I will tell you later use of this when you do the account determination topic. Step number 40, if step is number is same, then counter is you need to mention that is 2. Any freight condition, some value. I want to put some value FRP1. If it is a value means there is no dependency, therefore you should not enter anything here. Just a value. Like toll charges you are giving, right? It's just a value. Does not depend on this. Depend on any value. It is independent. Okay. Now step number 50. What is the effective price? So finally you will get the effective price, right? So effective price is net price plus your delivery cost. So net price up to 30, right? Delivery cost is stored in 40 steps, right? So you need to add this 32. What? Okay, enter. Save. Okay, in this way, you need to configure your own pricing procedure. Now we create PO with that particular vendor, then check it whether release strategy will trigger or not. Now you create your enter the schema group in this particular vendor, right? Okay, this vendor only you need to take in the PO. Okay. Now what PO you created for your plant, right? So what is the report? I want to see the POs, your PO in the plant, MA2N report. Okay. So enter the plant here. B001 is a plant. Execute it. You'll find the lots of POs here. Okay. With reference to this, we can create it, right? Just I create this MA21N. Okay. So document type anything. Okay. So this is the vendor purchase organization, purchase company code, company code, what is the company? 001 totals. Okay. Enter the material number 180 and now you can check that condition type is there. So this is the gross price. Let's see. We will enter one by one. I will enter this 10 is a gross price. Just I'm checking the calculation. Click here and enter the discount, some discount. Okay. Select this, enter. Let us say 10% discount. Enter. Right. Okay. Maybe 1%. Okay. Now you have another condition, lump sum value. Enter. Enter some value. Say for example 1. Now check the calculation here. Okay. You enter the gross price 10. Okay. Now the quantity is 100, right? So therefore the value is 1000 here. Discount is 10 percentage. 10 percentage of the 100, 1000 means 100. Okay. Then 1000 minus 100, how much? 900. So this is the net price. After that, you are adding the freight of 1 percentage to the 900. 1 percentage means 9. Okay. And you are adding again the freight value 1. Okay. So 900 plus 9 plus 1, 910. So this is the effective price. Okay. And 9.1 per unit is the effective price for the this particular material. Okay. That is our calculation. Understand? Here you will get only the net price. Okay. Net price means this one only. Okay. Understood? Logistic charges will go to the logistics vendor. And this is how the PO pricing is configured. Okay. Sales. Okay. Please practice this. This is important. Based on this, we can build up any difficult to difficult. So these are the basic steps is involved. Okay. Try to understand the components of the pricing. Try to understand the calculation of the price. Okay. Okay. Understood?